5 good reasons to consider black appliances for your kitchen. Dear friends, let's face it, we've been conditioned to restrict our choices to white as the default color for kitchen appliances. But when you're considering an upgrade, you may be surprised at the choices of styles, finishes, and colors that are available. This is particularly true when you look at black appliance colors for their aesthetic appeal and other reasons. In this video, we will look at 5 good reasons for choosing a black appliance for your kitchen. 1. Easier cleaning. A traditional stainless steel appliance finish is harder to clean because fingerprints are inevitably left behind on the surfaces. Frequent polishing is often required to keep stainless steel finish looking clean and fresh. White appliances tend to show prominent dirt and grime, and they need to be wiped regularly. Black appliance surfaces are more forgiving, they don't tend to smudge, and they can be washed quickly with warm soapy water and a microfiber cloth. There is no need to use abrasive cleaning products or scouring pads when you clean a black appliance. 2. Timeless aesthetic appeal. In our opinion, black kitchen appliances look great and they add a great deal of aesthetic appeal to any size kitchen. But the appeal is timeless because black is a neutral color that blends well with most decor choices. If you really want your new kitchen design to last for a long time, it's a good idea to choose high-quality black appliances. This can be a great advantage if you're planning to sell your home in future and you don't have a set selling date in mind. 3. Hiding minor imperfections and stains. The clear blank slate of white colors and the shiny stainless steel surfaces are not ideal when it comes to hiding minor imperfections and stains. Poor quality surfaces can ruin the aesthetic appeal of the entire kitchen, and they can be hard to identify. A black appliance surface can hide many imperfections, including smudges, smears, splatters, water spots, dirt, dust, dents, and more. The black surfaces prevent these negative aspects from standing out, which improves the overall look of the entire kitchen. 4. Adding contrast to existing appliances. A black kitchen appliance will suit most kitchen design choices because the surfaces are sophisticated and understated. This is particularly true if you choose a matte black finish for your kitchen appliances. 5. Warming up Spartan spaces. Black appliances have a softer character that pairs well with many modern and traditional accents easily. Many materials, such as bare brick, wood, aged metals, stone, and more look great with black appliances. Most people would agree that larger cooking appliances, dishwashers, and refrigerators are the least attractive elements in their kitchens. Changing these appliances to a matte black color will set them apart and add an element of sophistication. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.